So we're going to listen to the story on page 33. The next day, Mom, how was the barbecue? Jasmine answers, it was great. We did everything by ourselves. Can you believe it? That you did everything by yourselves? What did you do? Jasmine, Frank lit the fire by himself. It only took him a few minutes to do it. Amy prepared all of the food by herself, and Linda carried all of the dishes to us by herself. They were so amazing. Mom, then what did you do by yourself, honey? Jasmine answers, I had the most difficult job. I ate almost everything by myself. So there we have vocabulary. This vocabulary that I'm going to write now. So the vocabulary we have on that page is yourselves. Remember we saw yesterday, yourself is one. Yourselves is more than one. Can be two or more people. Yourselves in plural. Himself, one man. He did it by himself. Herself, a woman. She did it by herself. Carry, you carry. So the mom, the girl can carried all the dishes. She's carrying, she has it in her hand. She's carrying, she's taking them, okay? She carries them. You can carry your backpack. You carry books in your hand. You carry things. Almost. I ate almost. She didn't eat everything. She ate almost, okay? There was left, a little bit was left over, so she ate almost everything. So that is the vocabulary for this this part of the story. We're going to continue. We're going to read it together again, and then we're going to fill in the blank.